Hello friends, I am Kanchan Swami, Assistant Professor of General English and English Literature at Biani Girls College. I welcome you all on the behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today we are going to discuss about parts of speech. This is a very basic topic which you will think that it is very easy, but there are students who get confused about parts of speech. So let us start. Parts of speech are 8 in number, namely noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. First of all, noun. What is a noun? A noun is a word that is used to refer for the name of a person, thing, place, animals or anything for that matter. It should be a naming word. For example, Sita is writing a letter. Here, the name Sita is noun because it is the name of a girl, right? Okay, next is pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is simply a word which is used instead of a noun. The word which is used in the place of a noun. For example, we will take a sentence. Okay, we will take the previous sentence. Sita is writing a letter. Sita is writing a letter. Here, Sita is subject. This is noun. But if we do not want to use the word noun, and if we want to show it as a pronoun, then we can use the word she, right? She is writing a letter. Instead of the word Sita, we can say she is writing a letter, right? Sita is writing a letter. This is with the use of noun. Okay, this is noun. But when we say she is writing a letter, then this is pronoun, right? She is pronoun here. Or some other words like he, they, these are pronouns, right? I hope you get it. Next is verb. What is a verb? A verb is the key word in the predicate of a sentence which denotes the action being done by the subject. Okay, it is an action word, right? Like for example, I am reading. Here I am reading. What I am doing? I am reading. So I am doing something. I am in action. Okay. So this is verb, right? We can take any other example like she is walking. So she is in action. She is walking. So that is the verb, right? Verb is any action word. Now next is adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is the word that qualifies a verb which modifies a verb or an adjective. Like it tells how the verb is being done. Okay, so here we will take a sentence. Sharon is walking. This is a simple sentence, but when we say Sharon is walking very fast, when we add very fast, this tells how Sharon is walking, how the verb walking is the verb, how this verb is being done. She is walking very fast. So this is modifying the verb walking, right? Next, adjective. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words which modify nouns, right? They give the qualities of the nouns. For example, Sharon is a girl. This gives us the information like Sharon is a girl. Okay, Sharon is a girl. But when we say Sharon is a beautiful girl, when we add beautiful to the sentence, we come to know how the girl looks. We come to know how the girl looks. So this is modifying the noun girl. Okay, Sharon is a beautiful girl. right? Now the sixth one is preposition. What is preposition? Prepositions are the words that are placed before nouns. Okay, they are always mostly placed before the nouns. For example, in this sentence, the book is under the table. Okay, here table is noun, right? When we say the book is kept, the book is kept under the table. So here the word under is preposition, right? It is placed before the noun table. Okay. Okay, next one is conjunction. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words which are used to join two sentences or two words together. Okay, when we join two clauses together, they are conjunctions. Like, example, and, but, or, etc. Okay, example like, she is eating food, I am doing the work, right? But these are two sentences, but when we join these sentences together, we will use the word and. I am doing the work, but she is sleeping. We are joining the two sentences together using the word and, right? Or we can use any other words, any sentence. Okay. Next is interjection. Last is interjection. What are interjections? Interjections are the short exclamations that are used in between the sentences. For example, okay, I'll have to rub it. For example, hooray. Hooray, we won the match. This is showing our strong feelings. Interjections are the words that show our strong feelings. Hooray, we won the match. Okay, so what happened? We won the match. This is showing our happiness, right? So this is interjection. We can take any other words like ew, how dirty the floor is, right? So that is interjection. Okay, so these were the parts of speech. I hope it helped you in some way. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.